after 26/11, my government, headed by the then Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, late Manmohan Singh, the Indian investigators went to Pakistan, gave them all the evidence, the DNA and everything. And even some American citizens were killed in this terrorist act. But you'll be surprised to know that nothing moved forward. Many times Indian investigators went to Pakistan, Lahore, Islamabad, but nothing moved forward. What made Pakistan move forward in this terrorist trial was when Pakistan was put in the FATF grey list, and one such meeting was held in Germany, and India wanted one Sajid Mir to be indicted. So the Pakistanis cleverly said he's dead. But the moment this important meeting was about to take place in Germany, Pakistan comes up to the committee of FATF and says, Sajid Mir is alive. So can you imagine a country which was saying he's dead, suddenly he's alive, and then the Pakistani government says that our courts have convicted him for some 5-10 years. But the main culprits of 26/11 are still scot-free. They were convicted for money laundering, not for terrorism.